Welcome to Genius Brainbox. "15 seconds for each question. For each correct answer, you will get 1 point. Are you ready? Let's start.
Fresh water is found in which of the following places? Rivers, oceans, glaciers. What percentage of water on Earth is fresh water? 20%, 50%, 3%. Why is ocean water unusable for drinking or crops? It contains too many minerals. It has a bad smell. It is too salty. What is one reason for freshwater scarcity? Over-extraction, lack of rain, ocean pollution. World Water Day falls on which date? March 22nd, September 10th, December 5th. Why is freshwater a precious resource? It is a non-renewable resource. It is essential for life. It is expensive. How does improper farming impact water supplies? It can lead to soil moisture loss. It increases reservoir capacity. It filters out pollution. The newsletter Sorrow of Earth expresses concern about lack of fresh water, ocean acidification, toxic algae blooms. What does the newsletter say about the majority of rainfall? It falls over land, it falls in polluted areas, it falls over the sea. What potential danger is mentioned in the newsletter due to water scarcity? Famine, earthquakes, water wars. What is the purpose of the initial bar screens in wastewater treatment? Remove large objects, filter out bacteria, add oxygen to the water. Grit and sand are removed from wastewater by boiling the water, adding chemicals, slowing the water flow.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.
What is the term for the solids that settle at the bottom during sedimentation? Biogas. Sludge, grit. What type of bacteria is used to break down sludge in a separate tank? Aerobic bacteria. Anaerobic bacteria. Photosynthetic bacteria. The aeration stage in wastewater treatment promotes the growth of algae, viruses, aerobic bacteria. What is activated sludge? Solids remaining after chlorine treatment, bacteria and microbes that settle at the bottom, the grease and oil that floats to the top. Which of these is not a contaminant found in wastewater? Bacteria, saltwater pesticides. How can deforestation worsen water quality? It decreases oxygen in the water, it provides habitat for wildlife, it leads to increased soil erosion. What is the purpose of disinfecting treated wastewater with chlorine? Improve the smell, reduce cloudiness, kill remaining bacteria. Why is it important to conserve water? Our water resources are not increasing at the same rate as our needs. It will make water cheaper. It helps with recycling. What is the main source of fresh water? According to their text, oceans, rainwater collected in barrels, groundwater, lakes, ponds, and rivers. What is the primary use of fresh water? As mentioned in the newsletter, industrial processes, human consumption, agriculture. According to the newsletter, freshwater supplies are threatened by government regulations, human actions, natural disasters. What does the text suggest people do to discuss water-saving ideas? Form groups, contact government officials, read books on the topic. Which of these describes how water usage patterns might affect the future? Increase the amount of available fresh water. Have no effect on freshwater supplies. Led to water conflicts and shortages. Why might Niraria's bathroom water be unsuitable for direct garden use? It contains soap and other contaminants. The water is too hot, the garden will get flooded. Davi's actions to reuse water demonstrates her dislike of waste, desire for a water treatment plant, lack of knowledge about water, scarcity. What is the goal of the Water for Life initiative? To increase the amount of fresh water on Earth to promote sustainable water usage. To build pipelines to transport fresh water. Which percentage represents the amount of fresh water trapped in glaciers and ice? 60%, 2%, 97%. The newsletter's goal is to raise awareness about a problem, entertain the reader. Teach students about science. The breakdown of organic matter in a sludge tank produces what useful substance? Drinking water, biogas fertilizer. During aeration, what is added to the wastewater? Chlorine, oil, air. Which stage of wastewater treatment involves removing oil and grease? Aeration, sedimentation, bar screens. What happens to the water after the activated sludge stage? It is bottled for drinking, it is released into the environment, it is sent for further filtration. Why is sand used in the filtration stage of wastewater treatment? To remove larger particles to kill bacteria, to neutralize chemicals. What percentage of activated sludge is water? 97%, 50%, 10%. What is the purpose of drying activated sludge? To make it easier to transport, to eliminate dangerous bacteria, to concentrate nutrients for fertilizer. Besides drinking water, what other impact will water scarcity have on society? Increased food prices, reduced power generation capabilities, all of the above. What happens if untreated wastewater is released into the environment? It becomes safe to drink, it can cause diseases, it improves water quality. What happens to water quality if chemicals from industries are not removed? They make the water cleaner. They can harm people and wildlife. They have no effect.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.